The transmission is an important part of a vehicle that transfers power from the engine to the wheels. When it works properly, the car shifts gears smoothly and drives efficiently. However, if the transmission starts to fail, several warning signs can appear that drivers should not ignore. One of the most common symptoms of a bad transmission is difficulty shifting gears. The car may struggle or feel delayed when changing gears. This often happens when transmission parts wear out or the fluid level becomes low. Another common sign of transmission trouble is slipping gears. The car may suddenly change gears on its own or lose power while driving. You might notice the engine revving higher, but the vehicle does not accelerate properly. This usually happens when internal parts are worn out or the transmission fluid level is low. Unusual noises coming from the transmission area can also signal a problem. Drivers may hear grinding, whining, humming, or clunking sounds while the car is in motion. These noises may become more noticeable when the car shifts gears. A burning smell is another warning sign of transmission problems. Old, dirty, or overheated transmission fluid can produce a strong burning odor. This fluid normally cools and lubricates the transmission parts, but when it breaks down, the system can overheat. If you notice a burning smell while driving, it is important to check the transmission fluid and inspect the vehicle. Drivers may also notice fluid leaks under the vehicle. Transmission fluid is usually bright red or reddish-brown and has a slightly sweet smell. If you see a puddle of this fluid under your car, it could indicate a leaking seal, gasket, or transmission pan. Fixing leaks early can prevent further damage to the transmission system. Another symptom is delayed or slow vehicle response. When you press the accelerator, the car should respond quickly. If the engine revs, but the vehicle moves slowly or hesitates, the transmission may not be transferring power properly. Some vehicles also display a warning light on the dashboard when transmission problems occur. The check engine light may turn on if the vehicle's computer detects a problem with the transmission system. While this light can indicate different problems, it should always be taken seriously. A professional diagnostic check can identify the exact cause and prevent the problem from getting worse. Another noticeable symptom is shaking or jerking while driving. If the car suddenly jerks when shifting gears or vibrates during acceleration, the transmission may be struggling to engage gears properly. This can make driving uncomfortable and may indicate worn components inside the transmission. By recognizing these warning signs early and maintaining your vehicle regularly, you can prevent serious transmission damage and keep your car running smoothly and safely.